Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you through how to use your phone as a web camera. So without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to visit Chrome and I'm going to visit this website called Droidcam. Then go to the bottom, and if you're a Windows user, then just download this Windows client software. And if you have an OBS Studio already installed, you can also download the OBS plugin. Since I've already downloaded it, I will just go to my downloaded file and try installing it. Click next, agree, and it will start installing. I'll click finish. Now, since it's installed, I will just open it and a window like this will appear. Now we'll have to do the rest of the process from our phone. Now open Play Store and search for the app called Droidcam and install it. Once you install it, you just hit on open, and after opening it and clicking on next, you will find your phone IP address, which you will need to use in order to set this phone as a webcam in your laptop or PC. So let's get to the next step. Now let's open the Droidcam software, and after that click here to add device. So after opening the Droidcam app, your device will appear. Don't worry if you can't find your device, just hit refresh device list again and it will appear. And for some reason, if you can find it, follow this step. Now, for example, if Droidcam can't automatically detect your device, you need to follow this step. Pick a name for your device. I'll just put on phone, and after that, type the Wi-Fi IP that's appearing on the Droidcam Android app on your phone. I'll just type the IP address in this box. Okay, and if you want to enable audio, you can just tick this box. I'll not do this right now, and I'll just hit OK. For now, since my Droidcam client software is able to locate my device, I'll just click on the IP of my device and add selected device. And sorry for the weird angle. So this is my front cam, and I am able to locate my front camera with Droidcam. And in the Droidcam app, if you want to record with your back camera, you can just select and click on the back button, and it will like start record, and it will start capturing the backside of your screen. And that's it, guys. That's how you can easily connect your phone as a webcam in your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.